Hey guys, it's Memorial Day weekend. Today is Saturday the 27th, so we decided instead of making our Disney trip our first vlog, because it's taking like forever for me to edit that we'll make today our first vlog. So when the Disney trip finally goes up, you'll hear me say, you know, it's our first vlog, but scratch that out. Today is our first vlog, so yay, first vlog. But so we have a few things to do. Like, we have to take our dog to get a haircut and a bath and a haircut. Baby wants to go get her nose pierced, so we'll probably have a little clip here and there of her getting her nose pierced. I'm probably gonna get my tongue re-pierced or tapered or whatever you call it. It's already pierced, but I've had no ring in it for about 8 or 9 months, so the bottom is closed. So what they do is they taper it and, you know, re-pierce it, whatever. But so we're supposed to be hooking up with my aunts and a cousin, so we are supposed to meet up with them. Is this lady gonna hit my car? So we're supposed to meet up with them later today after we pick up Jackson from PetSmart, and then we'll go get pierced. So you'll see that, but I don't think we have anything else to do. But anyway, today is gonna be our first vlog day, so look out for that. Taking Jackson to get a bath and a haircut because he definitely needs it. Look at this dirty dog. Stop. Jackson. Jason, look. Jackson. Look. You look like an old dirty man. Ooh. Look like don't nobody love you. You about to snap him, man?
I was trying to snap it through the...
He stank.
Real bad, too.
Oh, he did?
He did.
I thought I was tripping.
No, that's him. Come on.
Boy, shut up. She going right in the front. We'll be back. Jackson. Why you want it? Why are you whining? Bruh. Shh. Jackson. Oh my gosh.
I don't even really think that's a whine.
It is.
I can't believe we can come up on it. I don't know why he obsessed with this back window instead of looking out the side windows. No, stay up there on the chair. He whining because he trying to climb up the front.
Y'all ready to take off.
He not used to the shoes.
Uh-huh. Well, maybe he gotta pee. Or maybe he just nosy as hell.
Yep, come on.
I was about to say, where y'all going? Oh Lord, don't do that.
Jesse, come on.
Oh, you can't watch him.
They just don't want to. They just want to leave.
Oh, bring this along back there. He's slipping and sliding.
Okay, you cutting me off too.
He don't know no better. Gosh. Oh gosh.
Okay. Did you make that sure it's just for Chanel branding anything like that?
Yeah, all the same. And that house is still good. Everything's still good with the house. Yep. Everything's
Checks
good.
and sit.
You know how this about to go.
And it's back in 2003. It's not as bad now as it was in 2003 because I remember 2003 they was swarming.
I used to work down on 41st Street and I could drive down the road without them flying in the car.
Jackson,
And you have the updated reading papers?
Yep, everything is ready here.
come hold him.
I think the reading is like that.
Jackson, sit. Oh gosh, is he looking for some weather?
Yes.
Sit.
Have you been to the grooming salon before?
I don't want it that close.
Okay.
Maybe this
the-
one.
You want to do a 5? It's in between. It'll
Really?
be short, but he won't be.
Bald.
I'm good, how are you?
Or you like this one?
Ah,
Or like this way?
you going the wrong way.
Monday to
Short? You want to look like bald, like.
Alright.
Okay, what does
about
he have?
Saturday?
Yes.
He has that one.
He has this one. Oh, you want to do this one?
So if you get the 5, he'll be just a tad longer than that. I mean, just like millimeters longer.
Okay, which one do you want to do?
Alright, sounds good.
He's looking.
Yeah, so let's do this one.
Really?
Which one do you want
I
to
mean,
do?
if that's a, I'm sorry, if that's a 7, that's really short.
But it also looks shorter on him because he is. See, as a difference, this is a 10.
This is a 10.
So because he's a
that
little
one?
darker, he does look like a 7. So it's all about the hair. So he might be thin underneath. So this might actually be really short.
Okay, so
Yeah,
this
he's
one
like
then.
skin and bones.
Yeah,
Well,
he's
not
very-
anymore. Okay, 7 is fine.
You want the 7?
Yeah. Jackson, you like number 7?
So the 7, the 10 that was back here, or in front, he might look like.
The new one?
We just left our baby. We can't watch him get bathed or cut. Kind of sad. Ruins the moment for me. What about you? Baby got on a
Devastated.
scarf.
I'm devastated.
Can I? Is your scarf in here? I can't see.
I don't know. Don't try to put it in.
I was. All right. Well, I guess we'll be back when Jackson be back. Bye. Here I am, y'all. Pissed off. And if you stick around long enough, you'll find out that it does not take much for me to be pissed off. The slightest little bit of inconvenience pretty much ruins the majority of my day. So as you saw earlier, we dropped Jackson off. Oh, wait, this lady was about to get hit by a car. Anyway, we dropped Jackson off earlier at PetSmart. Not even an hour later, we getting a phone call talking about we gotta come pick him up. He can't get groomed because he's too stressed out. So when we dropped him off, we let them know that it's his first time. You know, he's never done it before. He's only a year and maybe a couple weeks old. What the hell do you expect him to be besides stressed out? When it's a bunch of other dogs, big dogs, small dogs, whatever, barking and making a whole bunch of noise and shit. Like, what do you expect him to be other than stressed out? Like, you just wasted my time. I'm angry. Like, real angry. I'm so angry to the point that, as you see, I'm sitting in my car. Sasha went to get Jackson because it's no need for me to walk in there. I told her to film any bullshit that they gonna tell her when she go in there to get them. So if she does it, I'll include it next. But yeah, y'all, people just irritate me. Like, when I have to deal with other individuals, it almost never goes the way it's supposed to. But whatever. So like I said, if baby recorded inside PetSmart, then you'll see it now.
On our way back to PetSmart, because they called us and told us that Jackson was not behaving and we couldn't do it. Oh, that's a big ass dog.
I'll hold and you can clip. Doing the tap.
So it looks like he got a haircut. Oh, he got a haircut. A little
They
bit.
tried to cut him first before they bathed him, and then he lose his damn mind.
Oh, he's so skinny. Jackson, how you act up during a bath? You get them a lot.
They ain't even finished. They scared to put him near put the clippers in him. That was cut with scissors.
Well,
Look at him. They scared to put the clippers because they said he was doing alligator rolls on the table.
well, that's good enough. We can finish the rest, I guess. Y'all, we on our way to the tattoo shop, and guess who's driving?
Thank you, Jesus. We ain't got no time for no
Yes,
rage
God.
and being upset for hours to come. Who got road rage though? Apparently everybody on the road except for you, and you're just the victim of every road rage case, every asshole case, and then you be upset for hours.
You talking shit?
That shit, this is true.
That's why you scared. She's scared, y'all. Did it just hit you again? That you scared?
Your mama scared.
No.
Why she don't come and get another piece and shit? My mama. Anybody that can take up more space than more space.
Oh my God. She about to let the
You wanna
whole.
be part of our group?
She about to. Where my chapstick go? She about to let the whole world and their mama go before her. Cause she's scared.
I wasn't even scared when I got my tongue pieced. Neither time.
Oh shit, you need some more.
No, it melted.
That is ghetto. Oh, it's got a nice little point.
I know. And that's why when I put it back in there, I put it back to that same side. I did. So it can remelt back to the same way.
Remelt to the same lane. That is so ghetto.
What the shit is this on? My nose itching.
Cause y'all scared.
That's because you're going to get a re-pierce. And it's not even a re-pierce. What is it called?
A taper.
Yeah, that crap. Maybe I'll just get my tongue re-pierced.
So, bruh.
what? I'm okay with that.
So listen,
Okay, so did your nose hurt more than your tongue?
yeah, because my tongue didn't hurt at all.
My tongue didn't hurt, but it was just like a kind of.
Yeah, my tongue didn't hurt at all.
Is this where you went? Got your nose pierced?
Yeah.
And your tongue?
No, I got my tongue pierced when I was 17. I ain't know about this place.
Where's Saints and Sinners at? I want to go there.
Saints and Sinners is in Fells Point. Shout out to Saints and Sinners again.
Recording.
It's not.
Now it is. Oh my god.
So,
Okay.
that kind of placement is what we should go with, all right? You want to take your glasses off real quick?
It's just a. It's just that one eye.
Yep, that's it every time. You're bleeding, that's what I like. This is for your eyes, man.
Okay.
Doing all right? Not dizzy, lightheaded, right now? Can I take a look? You like it? Pretty quick and easy, right?
That's it.
Okay. So, let's see what we can do with this tongue real quick. Just take that real quick. Oh, I was falling back. See any more? Yeah. Down. Drop on me again. See? Alright, stick it out straight for me. Sorry, this is the worst part. All the way through. There we go. See, there's no point in repairing, you can just do that, right? A lot of shops do it for charging they have money. I'm not for that. I don't think that's right. You don't have to charge them for something. Why do it?
It's hard.
There we go. Right back in place. Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. But it was a lot less painful than it appears.
It was. Okay. Are you done?
Doing okay?
I am.
Alright, so who's going next to sign this? Something to clean up and good job, man. It was pretty quick and easy. It's good.
I heard that they take a long time to heal too.
What's that?
The nose.
Clean contact solution, saline solution 3 times a day. The best that we use.
So you just
Oh,
like
the
squirt it on there?
same thing you use for your same thing you use for your contact lenses.
Yep, that's it. That's what I use. I spray that on the
Saline solution.
Yes, man, that's it. It's made out, pretty much made out of water and salt, just like your body is.
Yeah,
Fast as humanly possible. To me, I mean, it's always worked for every eye.
So I have a question.
Yes, please. Let's go.
How long should I wait before like going swimming or something?
I mean, what kind of swimming? Pool, ocean?
Cool.
Yeah, that week, so.
Okay. That's not bad. It's too cold to swim now anyway.
Yeah, they go from there. Chilly there. Good, thanks.
So when I get ready to put the diamond in, I need to come back and let you put the
Talking about for sure. What's that going on that side? What's fine?
Oh, yours was faster than mine. Oh, probably because mine was further back too.
Yeah, it was a little hard to get to. Fargo in there, right? And I apologize. You have to make you run. I didn't rush you to leave it out.
You nasty.
You guys have any issues on COVID? I prefer to work on this.
Weird.
So I can feel my nose throbbing a little bit right now.
Did your eyes water?
Just that one eye.
Yep. That's how mine was too.
All right. For our vlog channel, tell us your name
Joshua Darty,
and where do you work?
DeVille Lane.
DeVille Inc. here on what's that, Maryland Avenue?
Yep.
Eastern Avenue in Baltimore, Maryland, guys.
So weird.
Take a look at it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, guys, that was our day. Oh no! Okay. So here's Jackson. Clearly, he wants to give kisses. Say hi, Jackson.
Look up there. Look.
Say hi.
Oh, him so cute.
Yes, he looks so much better. Ooh, I'm gonna have to include a before and after. I'm gonna do it at the end, or maybe right here. But it's time for bed. We're tired. Maybe we'll have more vlogs in the future.
Yes, we'll have more vlogs in the future. Can anybody say new piercing?
Yeah. Yeah. Baby got her nose pierced. This is a crappy end, but whatever. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Jackson.
Say peace.